Glow up. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this term. In this series, I'll be giving you the ultimate step-by-step guide to have a drastic and easy academic glow up. This video is part 3 and I'll be sharing tips on how to revise and study for exams and completing assignments on time, as well as general tips to use during exam season and also general things to do during exam season. If you have not yet watched part 1 and 2, I recommend watching them first. I will link the playlist up above. I highly urge you to follow along this series as it could completely change your academic career. Without further ado, let's begin the academic glow up journey. The first 7 will be tips on how to revise and study for exams, as well as completing assignments on time. Number 1. Prioritize the work you need to do. During exam season, you will most likely have so many exams, assignments, and things to do. First, list all the work you need to do, then number the tasks in order of importance. 2. Be fully aware of all exam dates and due dates. Next to each of the tasks, write down the due dates or exam dates for them. Number 3. Make a study schedule. I talked about how to exactly do this in my previous video, but I will be showing you a similar example next. 4. Set a specific time to study every day. Now once you do 1, 2, 3, and 4, you have a complete study schedule to use. Here is an example. I wrote down the task next to the times I set and made sure to give enough time to study and also add breaks. Another tip is to make a specific time that you always study at. For example, if you are free every day from 3 to 4 p.m, then always study at that time every single day. Personally, my study time is from 5:30 to 6 a.m. Number 5. Use study or revision methods that work for you. I cannot stress this enough. Imagine working hard hours and hours but using the wrong study method that doesn't work for you. I highly recommend finding out what type of learner you are and what study methods are recommended. I will link my video all about that above. Personally, my favorite study methods are anything related to repetition, so I absolutely love using flashcards. 6. Chew gum. This might sound strange, but gum has been proven to have many benefits, including increasing memory and concentration, preventing fidgeting, and preventing getting distracted. So next time you find it hard to study, chew some gum. Number 7. Keep all your documents organized. I do this all the time, especially when I have many assignments due. Organize not only your documents, but also windows, tabs, and any applications on your laptop. This will make studying and working on your assignments much easier and less distracting. The next 4 will be general tips to use during exam season. Number 1. Ask for help if you need it. We've all been there. You aren't totally clear about something, or you just have no idea what you're doing. Either way, you need help, but you don't want to ask. I urge you to ask anyone if you need help or have questions. Talk to your teacher or email them. You can even ask your peers. Go ask for help if you need it. 2. Know your priorities. You have only 24 hours in a day. How many hours do you spend studying and how many hours do you spend procrastinating? Think about how long you spend doing what. During exam season, try to prioritize studying over other activities that aren't necessarily as important during this time. Also try to prioritize the tasks or works you need to do. Obviously, if you have an exam in 3 days and also homework that's due in a week, prioritize revision over the homework. The next tip is to use a to-do list. I cannot stress how useful a to-do list is. Writing down everything you need to do, including things unrelated to studying, will not only make sure you get everything done, but it is also extremely satisfying to tick off everything when you finish. Writing out a to-do list also helps in reducing my stress levels as I feel less overwhelmed. Number 5. Wake up and sleep earlier. Of course, try to get 8 hours of sleep. However, especially during exam season, I know that this is extremely difficult. Instead, try to sleep and wake up earlier. You will feel much more productive, energized, and motivated to study when you wake up early in the morning and sleep much earlier. The last 4 will be general things to do during exam season. Number 1. Try to get out of any bad habits. If you want to have an academic glow up, you need to get out of any bad habits that you may have developed over the years. Some examples are procrastinating, getting distracted easily, being addicted to your phone, lacking sleep, sleeping late, waking up late, pulling all-nighters, and cramming. Of course, it's not easy to just get out of a bad habit, but being aware of any bad habits you may have and acting towards replacing them with good habits is definitely necessary and very beneficial. 2. Clean every day. I cannot stress this enough. Take 5 minutes per day to just clear your desk area, return items to where they belong, and you will feel extremely organized, clean, and clear. Also, try to take half an hour per week or fortnight to clean your entire room. Number 3. Turn your phone to Do Not Disturb. Extremely obvious, but the amount of time I have, and I'm sure you have, wasted on your phone while studying is absolutely horrifying. I urge you to turn Wi-Fi off, put your phone on Do Not Disturb, and move the phone away from your room. Alternatively, you can use apps like Forest or Focus to help as well. 4. Check in with your stress levels. Ask yourself, do I feel stressed? Am I overwhelmed? Stressing out is inevitable if you are working towards improving your grades. Some things you can do to help, which I personally always like to do, are take a deep breath. Trust me, this helps so much. Meditate, read, unplug from your phone and social media. Exercise, go outside and draw. I will be giving so many more tips in my part 5 video on how to deal with stress, pressure, and how to maintain your mental health, so make sure to stay tuned for that as well. I hope that you enjoyed and this helped you in your academic glow up. If you need anything from me, whether that may be support, motivation, or questions, please do not hesitate to comment down below and I will try to respond to you all. If you are interested in this series, I would appreciate it if you subscribed and gave this video a thumbs up. I really hope that this series will help anyone achieve their goals. All my social medias will be linked below in case you want to direct message me or see more content from me. If you are going through this academic glow up journey, make sure to comment down below where you are, what your goals are, so I can hopefully motivate you. Bye guys, good luck with your academic glow up.